Here's a 2018 Audi Q3. This Audi Q3 is perfect for going downtown or getting out of town. It's a nimble, compact crossover with the moves to get through congested streets and highways with ease. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, Audi Parking System Plus Park Assist, external memory control, power liftgate, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Kelley Blue Book finds in addition to the image boost an Audi immediately grants, you'll be treated to a refined ride quality, sophisticated design, and premium amenities. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. Take it for a test drive today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.